Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on SLP formed another down channel on a daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos when the price line was moving at the resistance of that channel. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that the price line is once again rejected by this resistance. And now it is dropped down here at this long-term support of $0.0021. By the way, this can be a complete support zone from $0.0021 to $0.00185. If we move to the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that previously it had been working as support zone here, and support here, and support zone here, and here for a few weeks it had been working as a resistance zone, and now again here and recently here it is again working as a very nice support zone. For example, if the price zone breaks down the top of the support zone, then it can drop down here at the bottom of the support at $0.00185, and at the same time it can also test the support of this channel as well. By the way, this support will be slightly lower than this support zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this descending triangle. And we will also take a look at the breakout from this previous big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for VChain, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this trading views chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying on and sell targets on in the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this trade signal. Like this signal I shared in the first week of January 2025. Not in the first week, in the second week of January 2025, on 12th of January 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here in the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price on SLP is moving inside this channel, forming lower lows and lower highs. And now it is dropped down here at this very strong support zone. By the way, here we also had the support of this big descending triangle as well that we broke out here on the 7 days time frame chart. And at the same time, the price line is also retesting the previous resistance of the triangular support and also testing the support of this triangle as well. Now, if the price line hits the support of this channel, then it can move slightly more down at the bottom of the support zone. In fact, slightly lower than that, approximately here at $0.0016. But in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.006 here. This level has been working as a very strong resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And the technical target for the breakout from this descending triangle, you can see that we broke out the triangle and we had a nice pump, but so far the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this triangle. And that technical target is, by the way, here. That is approximately at 1.1 cents. Now here, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. For more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.